Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Virgos. I'll be picking a few cards for your daily energies, guys, and I'll be picking a few cards for what your person feels about this connection, and I'll be giving the angel message at last, guys. So let's go into the reading. Virgos, with these cards, I feel in this relationship, you feel you are being, what to say, used, guys. Somebody or someone is draining your time and energy, um, or taking your ideas, using your ideas and efforts, and they may be, what to say, um, using you, and you may not get any profit out of it. Okay, something of that sort, guys. Maybe that may be what you feel in your mind, your emotions. Okay, you may feel, what to say, very low in confidence, and for some of you all, you may also be sick, guys. That may also be the energy here. So this may be regarding your work or in your relationship. You are having this kind of emotions. You feel, you're losing your peace of mind and happiness. You're feeling tired and drained, emotionally drained, because of this person or because of the situation. Maybe because you have few doubts about this person, about their loyalty, whether they are honest to you, whether they are with you. So you're seriously doubting this person, guys, and you don't know what is true. So you cannot trust what is there right in front of you. Even when they are nice to you, you have certain doubts about this person. Maybe that may be because of some kind of gossip about this person, or someone would have communicated you some third hand information you would have got from someone. So that may be the reason that you're doubting this person. So maybe for that you cannot rely on this person, guys. You cannot find trust. So sometimes you need to, what to say, trust your intuition, guys. So sometimes whatever we see and hear may be false, and we have to see any situation our with our own eyes without any prejudices. So what we need to do is we need to trust our intuition, guys. In any situation you will have a gut feeling towards anything in your life. So when you are able to recognize it, what is your feeling about this person, you will surely come to know the truth, guys. So let me pick more cards about what this person feels about you in this connection, guys. So what is the answer for your doubts? What is the reason for your doubts? Birds. Virgos, with these cards, I feel these doubts you have are going to clear up, guys. So maybe this person is being very responsible, guys. They may be, what to say, They may be trying to build a better future for you both, so they may be working hard, and that may be the reason that they don't find time to spend with you. Or sometimes maybe some of their friends or someone would have communicated some wrong information to you, so that may be the reason for these doubts. uh, and few of you all may also be taking suggestions from friends, guys, something of that sort. But this person really feels happy to be with you, they are feeling really inspired, they want to build a family with you, and they want to stay committed in this relationship, guys. That is the way they feel about this relationship, guys. They are really happy to be there, they are enjoying every moment of it. And maybe the reason for this doubt, maybe their responsibilities, that they are unable to spend time with you, or maybe somebody's gossip, maybe it's just gossip, no truth attached to it, maybe for some of you all Virgos. So that may be the reason here, guys. But with these cards, I surely feel this person wants a commitment with you, and they want a family with you, and they feel very, what to say, they want to make the effort to be in this relationship, they want to take up that responsibility in this relationship. So that is the way they feel, guys. So with these cards, I feel your doubts are also going to get cleared very soon, Virgos. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today, guys. I'll be picking one card from this angel guidance deck. Silence your thoughts. Virgos, sometimes we just need to, uh, what to say, leave out all that wasteful chatter that goes on and on and on in our mind about certain things. So you don't have to worry about the past and the future. We just have to be there to experience the present moment, guys, because present is the gift. So if you want to experience the present, we have to leave out all our negative thoughts. So maybe for some of us, meditation will help us a lot, guys. So we just to get the clarity of mind and peace of mind, you just have to have few minutes of meditation every day, maybe early in the morning, guys. So that way we will be able to control our mind and get that clarity and peace of mind, guys. So we need to give up that stress, guys. When we leave out that stressful thoughts, the negative thoughts, we just overcome stress. So that is the angel's message for you guys, my lovely Virgos. That is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Virgos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.